Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to adjust your screen brightness in Windows 11. And to do so, it's very easy. I will show you three main ways to do that. So let's get straight into it. Now, the first method is to go on your desktop and then open the search bar. And in the search bar, type brightness. Now, the first result that should appear is change brightness level. Click on that. And here you will find this slider for the brightness. So you can make it on the left to make it less bright and on the right to make it brighter. So just click on the slider and slide your mouse wherever you want it to be. So that's it for the first method. The second method is to go again on your desktop and click on the menu in the bottom right where you will find your Wi-Fi and your sound settings. Here you will find the brightness level and the sound level, so you can click on it and then drag it on the left or on the right. Now for the third method, which is the easiest one if you have a laptop, is to just click on the FN button and then click on F2 or F3 to up and down the brightness. Now this may depend on your laptop, but you can check your keyboard and see where there is a light icon on it. You will just need to click on the FN button in the bottom and then one of these two F2 or F3 buttons. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.